Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are fine and in best of your spirit. In this video, I will share my views regarding the books I read in quarantine and give reviews about those books. The first book, are you saying that landmark book in the Asia? This book is Raja Gid, written by Miss Bano Qudsiya Late. She is known as one of the top class writer in Urdu adab. She is famous Pakistani novelist, playwright and spiritualist. She was the wife of famous writer Ishfaq Ahmed. She was Indian born and left the world on 4th February 2017. Basically, this book was firstly written and published in 1981. The first edition was published in 1981, and as you seeing that I have 34th edition of this book. As Bano Qudsiya named this book to Qudratullah Shahab. Qudratullah Shahab is also a famous writer in Urdu adab. As we move to this book, this is one of the best novel in Urdu adab. Other than his famous novel of Bano Qudsiya is Hasil Ghat, Amar Bel. Basically, this book is the one of the milestone or gem. I can say that the gem piece of this book is the basically one of the best book I have ever read in the Urdu adab. Basically, there are four characters in this book: the Professor Sohail, Aftab, Miss Simi, and Qayyum. These three, Qayyum, Aftab, and Simi, is the student of Professor Sohail, and the start of this book from the college. That debate is start that what are the reasons behind the madness or enthusiasm of human. Basically, those things that occur, that things that doesn't suit the human are the main reason behind the enthusiasm, and or instant love is main reason behind the madness of human. Thinking those things which are not suitable and unacceptable human leads to madness. As story explain very easily that those things that human doesn't suit, if we do those things he will mad behind those things. Basic story revolve around the halal and haram concept of Islam, as the biological concept of gene mutation is very neatly used in this book, that haram is traveled through genes from one generation to another. As Bano Qudsiya named this book Raja Gid, the Gid is basically that word that never get rid of his hunger. This bird always eat the dead material and dead animals. It teaches the lesson that diseases of harams move generation to generation, and haram is that disease that destroy your generation. Haram always have negative effect in our body. Whether you agree or disagree about the theory of this book, it up to you. But this book is written with strong vocabulary. As I have ever read, the book is one of the best book I have ever read about the religious spiritualism. So here is the second book that I have read in the quarantine is Talash, written by Mumtaz Mufti, the best writer in the Urdu adab. This was last book written by him, as he said that he was forced to write this book because he don't think that he is able to write about the religious issues that are in today's era. As Mumtaz Mufti is famous Pakistani writer born in India in 1905 and left the world on 27 October 1995. He was also Sitara Imtiaz winner, and Sitara Imtiaz is second highest civilian award in Pakistan. His famous books are Labbaik, Alipur Ka Ali, and Muftiyan are most of the famous books of his. His writing skill are much different from the other writers. He used easy words; those are easy and as easily understandable to his readers. Basically, Talash is collection of short stories based on Mumtaz Mufti quest and discovering the true meaning of Islam and Muslims, and addresses some of the major questions concerning the mind of a Muslim in this era. Chapter 1 Bab-e-Jazba. There are almost 13 chapters in this book. As the book plot revolves around Islam, that what is Muslim, he explained that Muslim is not only name that should we use, that we are Muslim. It's not the only name that we used. As he explained that Holy Quran is like a petal of rose flower. As we move to see the lower petal, it is more beautiful than the first petal. Unfortunately, we use Quran for only favors or only our benefit by reading that we will get reward on the day of judgment or making it trinket. As one of the best para, I will explain to you that he says that Allah is your friend. And just think that He is your good friend. Don't think the 5 time prayer will make your good relation with Allah. Keep Allah with yourself like a friend. When you want to eat your food, thank the friend. Thanks Allah Almighty, you have given me a lot of these things to eat. This is the friendship para. This is the friendship sentence. If you are playing cricket, ask him to help you to hit a six. Love him like a mother. Quran explained that Allah loves more than 70% as the one mother's love. As one of the best thing I see in this, there are some letters written by some of the people for Mufti Sahib. The first letter was sent by the Mr. Shafi. He said that Mufti is living legend in this world. Second letter by Yusuf Khalid. Basically, he says that Mumtaz Mufti is one of the best writer, and he's thinking about this book regarding is one of the best thinking. Basically, the Sheikh Imtiaz Ahmad write this letter about what are the rewards give to Mufti Saab according for his great services in Urdu Adab. As see you seen that there are different Khalid Humayun also letter, Gulshan Iqbal, Abdul Wahid Malik from Karachi, he also writes a letter. At the end of this book, after reading these letters, you will deeply think in your heart that how much Mufti Saab worth in this Urdu Adab and how much big writer he was at his time. In deep heart, about after seeing these letters, you will think that how a big writer Mufti was. As these are the best book I have ever read, and I will recommend you to read these books and hope you have enjoyed the review. Thank you very much.